How to fix Roblox stuck on loading screen on PS5. So I'm going to show you a few different fixes. For the first one, you want to click on settings, then choose users and accounts. Scroll down until you see others, then restored licenses. Here select or check Roblox and you want to click on restore. After you have done this, then we can proceed to the next step, which is gonna be going into network, and right here you want to go and select settings, set up an internet connection, then click on the options button here on your PS5 controller, and you want to go into advanced settings. From these settings, select DNS settings, set this to manual, and you want to type this 1.1.1.1, and then for the secondary DNS this is going to be 1.0.0.1. Afterwards you want to click on OK. Here it's just going to verify your connection, and once it has been verified, then we can go back here, go all the way back. You just want to go and hover over Roblox, click again on the power button or the options button, and here check for update. This should fix the issue. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.